Okay, let's try to solve this sequence reaction. Uh, Now the substrate alkyl halide is given. So in the first step, basically this alkyl halide is treated with alcoholic KOH, which you all know is used for beta elimination. So this is used for beta elimination, right? It's very simple. Some product is formed. Now it is given in the question that A gives a bromine water test as well as it decolorizes Bayer's reagent. So basically this A will be alkene. It will be a non-aromatic alkene, like other than benzene, because benzene does not decolorize Bayer's reagent. The A formed is then treated with BH3 in presence of THF, that is diborane in presence of tetrahydrofuran, followed by the oxidation in alkaline medium by hydrogen peroxide, which is basically a reagent for hydroboration oxidation. So this is used for hydroboration oxidation, right? Now the B formed, it gives turbidity on boiling with Lucas reagent. So basically when B is treated with Lucas reagent, it does not give turbidity at room temperature. It only gives turbidity, or the turbidity appears only after boiling. So that this B, you can predict that this should be 1 degree alcohol, because 1 degree alcohol does not produce turbidity with Lucas reagent at room temperature. And now it is treated with PCC. This B is then treated with PCC, and PCC is pyridinium chlorochromate, which is a particular oxidizing agent, or you can say a reagent to convert for the conversion of primary alcohol into aldehyde particularly. So this C formed, it will be an aldehyde, and this gives Toller test, which is given by your aldehydes mostly, but it does not give iodoform test, right? This could be true. So let's do this, how it is done. So in the first step, let's say the substrate alkyl halide is given. So when alcoholic KOH is applied on this alkyl halide, see the reaction goes this way. This is CH2Br, right? When alcoholic KOH is applied, so alcoholic KOH, it will undergo beta elimination, right? So in case of beta elimination, this halogen, which is a living group, will get eliminated, and along with this from the beta position, so this is the beta position, right? It's very simple. The halogen attached to the carbon is known as alpha carbon. So this is alpha center, and this is the beta center. This is the beta carbon, this is the alpha carbon. So the hydrogen from the beta carbon, this, let's say this hydrogen is eliminated along with this Br. This is known as beta elimination or dehydrohalogenation, and the product formed are alkenes. Now an important point that I would like to you to remember is the stereochemistry of this Br and H. It should be trans anti-periplanar, and the type of elimination which dominantly, or can say which predominantly takes place, is beta elimination, right? Though no stereochemistry is being asked in this question. Okay, so beta elimination takes place, and this Br and this beta hydrogen will get eliminated, and the formation of alkenes takes place this way. So this cyclohexane ring, and it will be CH2, right? And a double bond is formed over here. So basically alkenes are formed, right? And this alkene, it decolorizes Bayer's reagent, and it also gives bromine water test. So this is the product A. Now in the sequence reaction, this A is then treated with BH3. See how this reaction goes. This A is then treated with BH3, which is basically derived from diborane B2H6 in presence of THF, tetrahydrofuran, which is a protic solvent, And along with this, the second step is oxidation by using hydrogen peroxide in alkaline medium, NaOH, right? It's a very famous reaction which is given in NCRT as well, that these reagents are used particularly for the formation of alcohol from alkenes, and this reaction takes place against the Markovnikov's rule. That is, anti-Markovnikov rule is followed over here. So basically, alcohols are formed as per the anti-Mark rule, or you can say anti-Markovnikov rule. And according to anti-Markovnikov rule, which is very famous rule, this OH will get attached to that carbon of a doubly bonded alkene, which contain a large number of hydrogen atoms. So basically, OH will get attached over here. So to this carbon center, OH is attached and hydrogen get attached to this carbon center, right? So alcohols are formed followed by anti-Mark rule. So remember this, anti-Mark or anti-Markovnikov rule is applied over here. So these alcohols are formed, right? Now you can see that this is 1 degree alcohol, that is CH2OH, and it is given in the question that this B formed gives turbidity on boiling with Lucas reagent. That is, turbidity does not appear at room temperature, but it only appears after boiling. So this B could be it is 1 degree alcohol basically, right? Now in the sequence reaction, this B is then treated with PCC. So it is then treated with pyridinium chlorochromate, right? And this PCC is a very selective reagent for converting 1 degree alcohol to aldehyde. So basically the CH2OH will get converted into aldehyde this way. That is, it will get converted into CHO. It's very simple, right? It get converted into CHO. So basically aldehydes are formed. Now this is the C. Now in the question, this C gives Tollern test, which is very true that this C gives Tollern test. This aldehyde, when treated with Tollern reagent, which is ammonical silver nitrate solution, this shiny silver color appears. I can say shiny silver appearance takes place. That is Tollern test, and it does not give iodoform test since there is no alpha methyl attached to this carbonyl group. So no iodoform test is given, right? So this is the reaction. So let's recall it quickly, summarizes it quickly. So in the first step, when alkyl halide are treated with alcoholic KOH, beta elimination takes place and alkenes are formed, right? So alkenes are formed. These alkenes are treated with, they undergo hydroboration oxidation. When treated with diborane in presence of THF followed by oxidation, they form alcohol, which takes place or which are formed as per the anti-Mark rule, and then this B is treated with PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate, and aldehyde are formed. So the final product is aldehyde. Thank you.